Good morning, children of class 12. This is Mr. Shimlai, that is, you are just teaching now the physical chemistry. And the topics today is chemical kinetics, though it is a vast topics, so we have to finish it as quick as possible. Is it? So chemical kinetics, as we know that we have done in that is chemical equilibrium, that rate of reactions, but that is theoretically possible. Is it? But practically it is not possible. Hence the chemical kinetics, we take the help of the chemical kinetics. By this we can solve the problem practically. So for practical purpose, this chemical kinetic is there. So rate of reaction, is it? What is rate of reactions? Rate of reaction, the change in the molar concentration, the change in the molar concentration of the reactants or products in a unit time interval, So you know the change in the molar concentration. What is molar concentration? That is, molar concentration is moles per liter. Molar concentration is mole per liter. So what is the unit of rate of reaction? Unit of rate of reaction is mole liter inverse second inverse. Is it? Now consider equation, reversible equation AB. So this type of diagram you have done also in chemical equilibrium. Again I am doing. This is product, that is 0. That is mole liter inverse. Now this is time in second. Now there is here, when the reaction is about to progress, then there is total molar concentrations of this reactant. As the time progress, the molar reactions, that is molarity of A gradually reduced and molarity of A gradually reduced, molarity of B, that means product, gradually increased. So say here this is time t2 and here say t1, is it? So at t2 system attains equilibrium. At t2 system attains equilibrium. System attains equilibrium. So at T2 systems attain equilibrium, and when reversibility start? At T1. At T1 reversibility starts. I think you know this thing, that what we have done there. Now this question is that let the concentration of reactant, let the concentration of the reactant is x1 moles per liter at time t1. At time t2 the concentration, that is molar concentration. Concentration means that is the molar concentration, is x2. So here we are considering the molar concentration of the reactant. So as you know that as the reaction proceeding or time progressing, the molar concentration of reactant gets reduced and the molar concentration of the product gets increased. So quite natural that X is greater than X2. Since X2 here, that means, and X1 is here. Clear? So x2 greater x1 greater than x2. So therefore, if we consider that x2 minus x1, so therefore x2 minus x1 should be negative. Why it is negative? Because x2 is less, x1 is more. So x2, that molar concentration is less, x1 is more. Now that is negative. So average rate is equal to x2 minus x1 t2 minus t1. t2 is more greater than t1, because time is T2 here. So what will be that? Negative delta x by delta t. Is it? Negative delta x by delta t. So for a reactions, now we come to this practical part. Say for a reaction, N2 reversible to NH3 gas. What we mean by this? Now this, see that here the coefficient, stoichiometric coefficient of nitrogen is 1. Here the stoichiometric coefficient of hydrogen is 3. Here the stoichiometric coefficient of ammonia is 2. Now this question, when 1 mole, because these are the reactant, these disappear and it is the product, it appears. These disappear and it appears. So when 1 mole of nitrogen, when 1 mole, see that the coefficient, stoichiometric coefficient 1 here, when 1 mole nitrogen disappears, three moles hydrogen disappears. Is it? And what is product is forming? So 2 moles of ammonia appears in the reaction mixture. Is it? So therefore we can write delta x by delta t, delta x by delta t negative. Why negative? Because reactant, I have shown, they are disappearing. So negative means disappearance, positive means appearance. So delta x by delta t is equal to minus delta N2 by delta t is equal to minus 1/3. Why 1/3? Why 1/3? Because when 1 mole nitrogen disappears, 3 moles hydrogen disappears. Both disappears. So when 1 mole, that means 1/3 mole. Is it? 1 by 3 moles of that is hydrogen disappears. Is it? Is equal to positive when 1